So those of you who followed me over the last couple of years realize I'm no stranger to filming in small and awkward spaces. And today is no different. Today I'm showing you guys that I converted my laundry room into a YouTube setup for A-roll. I'm filming here in this laundry room as we speak. And this is also my editing suite. So everything is housed in this small room. Now I do have other solutions. I have a garage, I have a guest bedroom, my living room, etc. But those are high traffic areas, which means that other people outside of myself walk through those and can potentially bump something or take something or move something. And that doesn't let me sleep at night. So I make sure that I have a dedicated space that I can come back to and everything is set up. So this is my laundry room. This is my setup for me. This may not work for all of you, but this is the perfect setup for me for right now at this point in my life. And the reason I mentioned that, and the whole reason for this video is, don't let other people stop you from creating, or don't let the fear of creating in a weird, awkward space stop you from creating because you have that need to create. Just create. Go out there and film something. I mean, if I didn't tell you I was in my laundry room, you would never know. Now let's talk about my setup. I want to talk about what I created for me. The first thing you'll notice is I have an Aperture 120D. That is with a light dome on top. That's my main light source. I have no windows in this room, which is a pro for me. Why? Because I have consistency in lighting, and because that means I can film at 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. Doesn't matter, 24 hours a day. Now, for me, that works because I do things throughout the day as well as do things at night. I want to make sure I can film when I'm motivated to. And if that's you, and you don't want to be subject to what the sun is doing, invest in a light when you can, whether that's a ring light, a constant light, any type of light source that you can consistently have that's not going to leave you subject to waiting for the sun. Because not all of you are motivated to create a video when the sun's outside, and that's okay. Invest in a light source. The other thing is, again, it's a dedicated space. The table that I'm shooting at right now is actually my old kitchen table that I had in a small New York City apartment. That has a marble finish, and that's pretty much bouncing all that light back at me. So not only do I have a dedicated light source, but I also have a reflector filling in all the shadows under my eyes, the shadows under my chin, and giving me some pretty forgiving light for this specific small space. The other thing I want to go ahead and note is that video tripod does not leave that area. It's in the same spot every single time. My audio setup, same thing. It does not leave this specific setup. So I'm using a Rode Procaster. The Rode Procaster is something I've had over the last couple of years. It's what I create my voiceover work with. That's feeding into a Zoom recorder. The Zoom recorder is recording everything that you hear here. And then in post-production, I'll take the audio and I'll take the video and I'll sync them together to make sure everything's nice and synced. With that, I'm using a Sony a7R III with a Sony 2470. That's my main camera for this specific setup. That's usually what I use for commercial photo production, but for this specific space, it works. It's what I need for this specific set. I don't have to bring another camera out. It just works for me. So I have visuals, I have audio, I have light. My background is on brand. Flat black, everything behind me is black. Everything matches. It's my specific taste. I will eventually invest in, let's say, a hair light or maybe a background light, but for now, this works. I'm happy with the way that this is set up. To my left-hand side, camera right, is my editing suite. My editing suite has my computer I built a couple years ago. If you're interested in knowing more about that, I'll leave that in a link above or a video. Just depends on how I feel like editing this specific video, but that'll live there so you guys can see more about that. But that's my standing desk that I can edit these videos in, and everything is housed here. Now there are some pros, there are some cons. The pros, as I mentioned before, dedicated space, I have no windows, awesome space to film in, no one else touches it, right? The cons, two big ones, moisture and noise. Moisture because it's a laundry room, humidity happens throughout this whole room, so I leave that door open every single time I turn on the washer dryer. But also I take my camera and my lens with me because electronics can get damaged in humid areas, so those go with me, that and the memory cards. Everything else stays because those are the two high value items I have in this area. Everything else can stay. I'll figure out a solution for my computer, but for right now, that works for me in this specific situation. The second one is noise. So the video before this that I created, you guys were kind enough to let me know the audio sucked. And that's primarily because I was using the wrong microphone for this specific room. The microphone I was using was a Rode video mic right on top of my camera, which generally speaking outdoors, great solution as an example. But in this specific room, you're hearing two things. You're hearing the boiler, which is just off camera right, and you hear the reverb because it's a small room. So those two things can be combated with using the right microphone. And in this case, I'm using a Rode Procaster. The Rode Procaster is directly over me. It's about 12 inches from my face, so you're hearing crisp audio compared to what you've probably heard before. So I eliminated those two issues for me, and I'm able to make the space work for me. Focus on the things that you can change. Stop focusing on what you can't. If you have a small space, deal with it. You're a creator, be creative. If you have less budget, you're a creator, deal with it, find a solution, right? It's all about creating. Regardless of the circumstances that you're in, make it the best for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day. Take care.